I love my father, but my father passed away 11 years ago. And I miss him so much. But can you imagine? I am so grateful that my father is no longer with us. He's not living in this world. I am so happy that he passed away. Imagine, is that the normal feeling? Because if he was, then he would have faced the same thing those millions of Uyghurs are facing in the dark dungeons of those concentration camps and being enslaved in the factories and the tormenting in somewhere, or if he was aged and if he was home, then he would have worried for his daughter, which is my sister, Dr. Rushan Abbas. So my husband too. You know, he wakes up in the middle of the nights and I see him either crying or sitting and writing. I try to get it out of his chest. And we are not just an isolated family. We are just one example of all the Uyghurs in diaspora. Almost all of them, even so-called model citizens, or never ever get involved with any kind of political situation, or just happy with the system the Chinese government was offering to Uyghur people. Even their relatives are targeted only because they are Uyghurs.